What's up, guys? We're here with the 2012 Toyota Prius doing struts today, and everybody online is going to tell you got to take off the whole windshield wiper assembly, windshield motor, this little metal cowl underneath of there. And I know for a fact that you can get it off without doing that. You look right here, this bolt right back here, it's a 14. That's the problem child. If you have a ratchet wrench, it makes it really easy. If you got that little adjustable angle on there, you want one as flat as possible. So my plan, the way to do it, get off your other two nuts right there and let it start to drop. That'll keep some tension on there so your wrench can click back. Obviously I've done it before without a ratchet wrench, with a regular wrench, so if that's what you got, that'll work. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you that this thing can get on there, and then we're gonna try to get it back on too, because I hate taking apart this frickin' windshield wiper assembly. Yeah, if you look, give it a little, maybe a little bit of angle this way. You can reach back there. Come on. If you can see that, we got her on her, and we're going between these other two bolts right here. And just slowly as you go, it'll come off eventually. Go ahead and put this nut back on, you know, a couple of threads. That way when that one in the back finally comes loose, it'll give it a little catch. Oh! And there we are. Alright, now when you get to the junkyard, there's going to be one strut, a single Prius in a town of 100,000, and it's going to look like this. So, you know, score to beat here is not bent, so hopefully this will pass the test. What you want to do is go over here and get you some True Religion underpants. We're going to make a nice looking boot for this thing. Sheesh! Alright, this is our new True Religion strut, and we put it up there. Got it locked in with that one, and what I did was I took the nut, put it in the ratchet upside down like so, and went ahead, stuck it back there, and then tipped it over onto the bolt. Now once you got that far, you can reach back with your wrench, just sort of give it a little just like that, and we are threaded. Now if you don't have a ratchet wrench, get ready to have fun. If you do and it stops spinning at any point, like it's, you know, hand tight, what you can do is drop this one back out, drop the strut, and then that'll put some pressure on there, allowing your wrench to get its clicks back. Alright, we were able to get that one tight, and then the other two are easy to grab with the wrench from the front. It's pretty much it for this. This just to help you not have to take off the frickin' windshield wiper assembly, the metal cowl, and all that. Have a good day, guys.